Hi, welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany. In today's video, I'm reviewing the products that I just talked about in my most recent Curlbox unboxing. They are the All About Curls collection from Zotos Professionals. It's a new to me brand, so I really wanted to try them out and see how they work. First, I started with the pre-shampoo treatment. It was very easy to get it in my scalp, and it did set up a little bit, which I did like. I think this was a good first step. I did also really like the smell of this brand. I like the smell of most of the items in this collection. So this was good. So I would use it again. The next item is a low lather cleanser. And I did like that it did give a lather. It wasn't like a non-lathering cleanser. It actually did lather. And I also did like the scent of this. Yes, I also did like the scent of this. And I think it did get my hair clean. So I did enjoy using this as well. Next was the Divine Treatment. This also has a similar scent to the others, and it's a light scent. You do smell it, but it's not something that's overpowering. And I did like how this went in my hair. My hair was not very tangled when I used this, so I'm not sure how it will work, because I do like sometimes using my deep conditioner to detangle my hair, but I did like it. I will use it again with steam. This time I only used it in the shower and then washed it out, but I will use it the next time with steam, and I'll give an update when that time comes, but I did really enjoy using this. Next, I went on to styling, and I used the Taming Cream for my wash and go. I was undecided whether I should use the Taming Cream or the foam or both, but I just decided to use the Taming Cream by itself. I think it did an okay job, but it did not last as long. I will show you me applying it right now. So I'm thinking about putting the foam first and then the curl cream over it. It doesn't say to use them together, but I feel like I need to do that. Or maybe I should put this first. I'll put the cream first and then the mousse foam over it. Smells good. So far, I like the scents for all of the products. I could use this cream by itself, but I don't know. Just to see what it does. Maybe I'll try that. I don't know. And then, yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll refresh with the foam in a few days if needed. So this is it all in my hair. I'll be back when it's dry and we'll see how this turned out. After I got it all done, I went out. I did sweat a little bit, but it wasn't in rain or anything. I went to Club Quarantine that night, and I don't know if I have a picture of my hair. It was okay. It wasn't my best wash and go, but it was okay. The next day, it was pretty dry already. And then the following day, it was super dry. So I decided instead of using this Taming Cream again, I would use the boosting foam as a refresher, because I just did not think the boosting foam, as it says it has lightweight definition, would work on my hair by itself. So this I applied, and I'll show you me applying that right now. So my hair is pretty dry. It is day 3, the end of day 3, and this is how it's looking so far. It's kind of dry. Yesterday it was a better day, but it was starting to get dry. This is the back and the side. So what I'm gonna do now is refresh. This is my refreshed hair. I'm not always a fan of refreshing. I'm really not a fan of refreshing. I'm not at all, because it just is never the way I like it. This foam feels really, really light, so I don't think it's gonna help with the hold. I don't know how moisturizing it is, if it'll help with any of this dryness that is on my day 3 hair, but we shall see. I'm almost like tempted to just put the cream back on, but I want to see what the foam does. So I'm gonna let this air dry, and then I'll be back. This is the next day after my hair dried. My hair feels hard, but not even crunchy hard. There is a kind of crunchy feeling, but there's like no good feeling in this whatsoever. It just feels really bad to me. I don't like how it feels. It feels like it's just sitting on my hair and it's really hard. This is the back. Not sure how that's looking, but I don't think it feels nice. I'm gonna run to the store before I wash this out, so I'm probably just gonna put it up, because I don't even want this hair to get really dry and rub on things. So I did not like how the foam made my hair feel. It felt extremely dry, no hydration, no moisture or anything. After it dried, I put my hair up. I went to do what I had to do for the day, and then I washed my hair that same night. So that foam is not something I would use by itself, and I don't like it as a refresher. Maybe I can use it with something that's very moisturizing, or maybe to do twists or something, but as of right now, I'm not a fan of the foam at all. The curl cream was it called? The Taming Cream? The Taming Cream was okay. So I would try the Taming Cream again, but I would not try the foam again if I had somewhere to go. If I'm experimenting at home, maybe that's fine, but that's it. This is not what's currently in my hair. I have a different product in my hair right now, so this is not anything from that brand. That had to be washed out, so I was not able to even film the video talking about how they were, because I had to get that out of my hair, because my hair felt so dry that I did not want to keep it in much longer, because I felt like my ends were going to be in jeopardy. So that's why it's no longer in my hair now for this part. That was my review on these brand new items. I definitely would use the wash products again. I liked them very much, but these 2 products I'm not too sure about. I might give this a try again one day when I have nowhere to go. This, not too sure. So if you would like me to give you an update of how these may have worked in the future, please let me know down below. If you've used these products, also let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. If you'd like to check out my playlist of all the wash and goes I've done so far, click right here. And if you would like to see my unboxings, including the one that I unboxed this collection, you can click here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!